we are releasing a feature to add widget and formula templates to your dashboard. Let me show you how it works. We'll start by adding a widget template to a new dashboard. First, I'll start by clicking Add Widget. Then, I'll choose this brand new option called Browse Templates. I'll be presented with a slide-out list of templates to choose from. If there's a specific KPI I'm looking for, I can always search for it, or I can filter my options by my integrations or a specific department, like sales. After choosing my template, there can be certain conditional states presented to me. If a formula needed for the widget has been used before, Plecto will ask me if I want to use my existing formula. If multiple integrations or data sources are compatible with the template, Plecto will ask me for the ones to use. In this case, because I still chose to create new formulas for the widget. Now, I'll drag and drop my widget, and there you have it. It is now added to the dashboard and pre-filled with formulas that you can also edit if that is what you want. The gist of the formula templates is the same. To add one, I'll go to the inline editor to add some data. Then I'll click New and choose Browse Templates. Like the widgets, a slide out with a list of formulas is presented to me. I'll just choose one. Again, similar conditions might apply. Now, my formula is created and added to my widget. And of course, I can also edit this.